Hi, my name's Jeremy from Converse English, and today I'd like to talk to you about... What are you doing? It's broken. What do you mean it doesn't work? What? No, it was John.
Oh,
Yeah, it was John that broke your tablet. Okay, so let's have a closer look at cleft sentences. Cleft sentences are sentences where there are basically two parts and they operate slightly independently. We take a basic sentence. So for example, Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up Parliament on the 5th of November. We can then emphasize certain parts of it. We can say, it was Guy Fawkes who attempted to blow up Parliament. We could emphasize the date. It was on the 5th of November that Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up Parliament. We could also say, it was with gunpowder that Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up Parliament. There are many different combinations, and all of them emphasize different parts of the original sentence, and we can use them to make a dramatic statement at the beginning of a paragraph, or, as we saw in the video, maybe say something different to what was said before, contradict something, exclaim something. Okay, so I hope that explained a little bit about cleft sentences. Now, another type are... What? He said he didn't do it.
No.
Just some mechanical
What he
failure.
did was, he was trying to balance it on the balcony and
What?
It didn't balance. That's
That's
what he
it.
did.
The second type of cleft sentences are what-cleft sentences. These are often used to emphasize an action. What he did was attempt to blow up Parliament. What Guy Fawkes did was place gunpowder in the basement of Parliament. Okay, so we can emphasize the action by using the what-cleft. Okay, there are more details on our website, stanagbattleplan.com, about cleft sentences, so please take a look. Now, back to the video. Okay, that's all from us. Bye for now. And that's all from them. Goodbye.